Hey guys, welcome to the ultimate guide to game development with Unity, a course co-created with Unity Technologies. My name is Jonathan Weinberger, and I'm going to be guiding you through this course as we develop two awesome commercial quality games. A little bit about me. I'm a self-taught software engineer. I've been lucky enough to develop games for Cartoon Network and Adult Swim, as well as several indie game companies. I've also developed enterprise augmented reality applications for Fortune 500 companies like GE, Coca-Cola, and ThyssenKrupp, to name a few. I've been working in Unity since the initial public release of version 2.6, and I've authored a book on Unity 3.x. Over the years, I've made my own video series on YouTube that helps programmers of all levels learn to code or refine their techniques. I'm so excited to be a part of this Udemy course approved by Unity, and I hope to inspire the passion I have for coding to everyone who watches this video. The topics we'll be covering throughout this course will give you the basic skill set to develop 2D and 3D games. We'll be taking a look at the fundamentals of C# programming, exploring the Unity environment, working with the Unity API, and taking a look at Unity 2017's new post-processing effects. By the end of this course, you will have developed your first 2 games. However, unlike the majority of intro to coding courses out there, these won't be your average run-of-the-mill 2D and 3D games. Thanks to the unique artwork you'll have access to, as well as the level of polish we'll be applying to these games, you're going to have 2 AAA quality games that look like you've been programming for years. Because of the interactive nature of this course, you'll then be able to continue on and develop your own 2D and 3D games. You will learn about the asset store, post-processing effects, the animation system, and general problem solving, all crucial elements you need to be successful making your own games. As I mentioned before, this course will be highly interactive with activities and challenges throughout to go over the material and provide you with trial-by-error examples that will help you learn to code from scratch. Instead of being spoon-fed the answers, we're going to use problem-solving techniques that allow you to truly learn the material, not just copy and paste lines of code. If you get stuck, which all programmers at all levels do, try your best to work out the problem, but always feel free to contact me with questions on the Udemy Q&A board. Also, we do want to know what you think of this course. If you enjoy and learn a lot from this course, please rate it and leave a review. If you feel like there are aspects of this course that need improvement, please let us know with a rating and a review with what should be changed. Our goal is to provide you with the best course possible and can only do so with your feedback. Ready to get started? Stay tuned for the next lecture.